Hi friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director of Ansa Interiors. So last Wednesday we had discussed about bachelor's pad, and we had got a few mails and a few calls saying what about married couples. So today in my design discussion series I'm going to talk about getting married, time to change your room. Here are a few tips and tricks. So the first and foremost important thing about designing your room is planning. So you start with planning, then go to designing, and then lastly the detailing. If possible, a services of professionals should be hired. I think I have emphasized on it a lot of times. Think of all the requirements a couple would need and start by disposing of all those things that you had bought when you were a bachelor. So they're no longer required now. I think the bed is the soul of your bedroom. It is the first thing that catches the attention when you enter into the bedroom. So a comfortable bed, preferably a king size, if the space permits, should be purchased. Also, it should definitely blend in with the style of the room. That means the style that you have actually chosen for your room. So also if you choose something like a flat headboard, then supplement your mattress with those extra cushions and those extra small cushions that can make it comfortable to sit. Else you can choose from a cushioned headboard. The choice of bedding completes that bed look. So those silk bed sheets and that soft blanket, the warmth of that blanket is something which completes the ambience. To enhance the whole ambience, I think soft lights and mood lights have a great effect in creating that sexy room of the bedroom. Keep the white light out, I would say. Also bring in new automation techniques for getting that mood light, that correct ambience, that correct mood of the whole room. So I would say that yellow and day warm light is suggested in creating that romantic look. Also, I would say it is advisable to go in for those two layers of curtains, one behind the other. So there is a sheer curtain for letting the daylight and a thick curtain for the privacy. A rug on the floor, according to season, in a bright color makes the room very inviting, very happy to look at. A mirror adorning a wall adds depth, and it also adds that touch of sensuality to the room. Color, I think, plays a very vital role in affecting the mood of the person. Experiment with colors like lavender and violet, as they are considered to be sexy romantic colors, but restrict their usage. You know, the overdose will make it very overwhelming. A dash of just these colors to accentuate in the accessories, probably that flower pot, or just soft furnishings or wallpaper may add romanticism. But you can choose from neutral warm white colors like the lightest possible green or raw silk color for the background. I think last I would say the flickering of candles and that smell of aroma burners and that happiness of fresh flowers, which is what will add that finishing touch. Today I was talking about getting married, time to change your room, some tips and tricks. Stay tuned to us. Thank you so much for listening. We'll come back next Wednesday with some more tricks and tips of designing. Meanwhile, in case you want interior design consultancy, you can contact us at www.ansainteriors.com. I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director of Ansa Interiors, signing off. Thank you. Bye.